Good day traders, this is Rizal M from SavantisFX, and this is a Sunday evening here in Australia, and I'm going to review last week's trades for the week of 22nd August till 27th of August. So as usual, this is my Twitter account. What you see here is automatically generated once it detects a closure on MT4 platform. So on Tuesday, we had our first close of the week, which was the pound CAD, which we closed for 217.1 pips. And then on Wednesday, we closed Euro Pound for 95 pips and Pound Dollar for 160.5 pips. On Thursday, August 25th, we had a losing trade for the Aussie and New Zealand dollar, okay, for a total of 182.5 pips negative. Okay. On Friday, we closed Pound Yen for 257.6 pips and Dollar Yen for 136.8 pips and New Zealand Dollar for 83 pips. So total for Friday, we closed at 477.4 pips. So now let's take a look at the corresponding trades on MT4 platform. So here it is. You can see this was the first closure of the week, which is Pound CAD. We bought at 1.67584 and we closed at 1.69755. It hit our target profit. The next one was Euro Pound, which we sold at, okay, just give me a second. So this is, let's look at Pound CAD. Let's look at the chart. Pound CAD, so this is where we bought. You can see the line here. I still have 2 positions left, and we close 1 position. We still have 2 runners, okay? And the next one is Euro Pound. Let's find Euro Pound. So Euro Pound, we sold at 0.8644, which is this red line here. You can see I still have 2 open positions. That's a bonus for you guys this week, okay? You can see what positions we have. We closed 1, which hit our target profit at 0.8549. And we shall leave the rest open. And the next one was Pound Dollar. So Pound Dollar we bought here at 1.3087. We closed 1 position at profit at 1.32475, and we still have open positions as well. You can see the purchase price and where the stop loss is. And then after that, it was the Aussie against the New Zealand dollar, which hit our stop loss. Let's find the Aussie NZ. Here it is. So Aussie New Zealand dollar, that's where we bought. Sorry, this is another position which I opened after the loss, okay? So it's not reflected on the chart here, but it was a losing position for last week. Let's look at Pound Yen, the next one. So Pound Yen, we bought at 130.946, this red line here, and we closed 1 position at 133.522, and we still have open positions, okay? So what made me pull the trigger at this price point? It is already in profit. We took 1 position away, and the rest are at break even, okay? So this is already a profitable trade. Most of the trades are already profitable, okay? All those that have hit target profit are already in profit, and if it hits profit, if it hits the stop loss, it hits the stop loss, okay? It doesn't matter, I've already made a profit. And let's look at Dollar Yen. So once again, Dollar Yen, you can see the red line, that's where I bought. I still have open positions at that price. It hit our first target profit, and the question is, once again, what made me pull the trigger? What made me buy at this price point? Okay, If you notice my style, I do not have any indicators on my charts. So what did I see? What does my 10 years of trading experience bring to you? Okay, and lastly, let's look at New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, once again, this is a beautiful chart. I love this chart. Okay, what made me sell at this price? We closed one position here. We sold at 73184 and we closed the first position at 72354. The rest are at break even. So even if this hits stop loss, we are in profit. Okay. Let's see what the market brings to us next week. I hope we can close most of our positions for a good profit, and we'll see. So that's it. I just want to emphasize one of the main things which SavantisFX, which we emphasize a lot, is risk management. Okay, so if you were to join us as a subscriber, you will get our expert advisor. Also, if you were to join us on our managed account, all of these trades are automated, okay, on our end. We've done a lot of research, a lot of time and effort in creating this product, okay, and one of the beautiful advantages of joining SavantisFX is any trade that we take, okay, and if we place a stop loss, say the stop loss is 100 pips or 200 pips or 300 pips or even 10 pips, 50 pips, whatever pips you want the stop loss to be, you can set your risk. You can set your risk percentage at 0.1%, 0.2%, 1%, 2%, whatever percentage that you like, you can set. So it does not matter how far away the pips is, how far away the stop loss is in terms of pips, okay? It does not matter. We've implemented, we've built in all the risk parameters into our systems, okay? So if you would like to find out more, please, I encourage you to join us, subscribe, and join us on this beautiful journey. So that's all for this week. Hope to chat with you again next weekend with some good news on our trades. Till then, ciao.